Anaximander, an early Greek philosopher from Miletus, emerges as a pivotal figure in the domain of geography. Born in 610 BCE, he was a contemporary of Thales and laid the groundwork for the intellectual tradition of inquiry into the cosmos and the earth. His pursuits represented a monumental shift from mythological explanations of the world to a more rational and systematic understanding, making him a prominent figure among early geographers. His contributions continue to influence the trajectory of geographical thought, emphasizing observation and reason. One of Anaximander's most notable contributions is his creation of one of the first world maps, an early attempt at cartography that represented the known inhabited world. This map, circular in design, visualized Earth as a flat disk surrounded by the ocean. This innovation was not just a depiction of geography, but also an essential tool for understanding human habitation relative to the world. His work set the foundation for future geographers, influencing figures such as Hecataeus and Ptolemy, who built upon his nascent cartographic traditions. In addition to mapping, Anaximander theorized that the Earth floated freely in space, a departure from his mentor's belief that it rested on water. He envisioned Earth as a cylindrical object suspended in the cosmos, demonstrating an understanding of balance and symmetry within the universe. This geocentric perspective marked a significant evolution in cosmological thought, as it sought to explain celestial motions through natural laws, rather than divine intervention. He was instrumental in articulating a vision of the universe that centered on rational frameworks. Anaximander introduced the concept of the apeiron, representing infinity or the boundless as the source of all. This abstract principle opened pathways for philosophical geography, urging thinkers to seek explanations for spatial phenomena through metaphysical approaches. His thoughts also lightly touched upon environmental determinism, suggesting the environment's influence on human life and behavior, further enriching geographical discourse. Thus, Anaximander becomes not merely a philosopher but a seminal proto-geographer, whose insights significantly shaped the evolution of geographical thought.